Hi guys, welcome back to Island Adventure Caribbean Style, and my name is Cherry and Douglas. And yes, I know it's been a very long time. We have been so busy. Then we have the rain. It's just not giving us a chance to go spearfishing or anything like that. But today we have an epic video for you. I'm gonna show you all our fishing trip. Let's go.
Mommy, how you feeling about the trip?
I don't wanna go.
Why? Because you're scared?
Yes, but I have to go because apparently if I don't go, they don't have.
How do you feel?
Scared? Look at this boat.
What's wrong with this boat? It's a normal prog. This is a normal boat.
This boat cannot fall apart.
Alakai, this boat is in extremely good shape.
Look at that one over there.
Well, that one doesn't look as good as this one. You're gonna have a great fun. We're gonna catch big fish. Harry, you scared? Helen, you scared? Darius, you scared?
Daddy, this is your size of fish when you save it.
Morning, fellas. Fun begins.
Make sure and catch something, eh? Don't come back empty-handed, eh?
Big shoes there. You never seen one like this before?
No.
Well,
Yeah, with the tank, eh? Yeah. He ain't staying that long.
these I feelings, you know.
Are you going down with you?
Probably not. Nobody's going down with me the first time.
Oh.
I'm gonna see what I can see.
Okay.
If I can't see nothing, I come back in. Doesn't make no sense. I find it dirty.
The rainfall last night. Yeah, the rain. This morning when we was coming up, it was pouring coming up the road.
Gary, you can hand me my gun when I get in. I said you can hand me my gun when I get in.
21.
Brown one. Why? Why?
Đấy. Anh quay để bao giờ đây mà nó đi once.
Yeah, but now you're scaring me.
No, I just don't like it.
You don't like it. But it's not that there's anything scary down there.
No.
It's whether I can see, right? Because once I can't see, I'm coming back in. Makes no sense. See, she's 10 feet at least, or around.
You need a gun now?
Not yet. I need to
You want your belt?
go in.
Give me less than that.
Yeah.
Less than that.
Yeah, give me the belt. Okay. Nothing, son.
You want to
Tell you
GoPro?
What?
What is
and check and see how deep it is.
Yeah.
Huh? You see nothing?
Here, I need this off my back.
Trying to see if we can catch a fish.
Alright, now we go. Hope for the best. Alright, round 3. We failed at spearfishing. We failed at using a line. Now we're going net fishing. Boy! On this beautiful July day. Anyway, here we go. We're bound to catch a fish. If we can't catch a fish in the net, we are definitely blight.
We're gonna do by the oil, right?
Yep.
I look too far.
Looks far?
It look too far.
Okay.
But it is far.
Yeah, I don't know if you can see the oil rigs, but we're going out to the oil rigs way out there. We're on our way way out to the oil rigs. I guess that's the start of the net. I don't know much about what's going on, but that looks like where they grab the net and then I guess pull it in a circle and catch the fish. Alright. If you ever wonder why fish is so expensive, now you know why. We better catch at least one, eh? Oh look, it's getting heavy. Must be fish. Heavy means fish or heavy means net?
Oh, it just means water in it.
Oh god, boy, be optimistic. Or heavy means anchor.
Oh, there was the ice.
Come on this side, guys.
Too much net, not enough fish. You guys gotta keep watching where that net's coming. Darius, get on the other side. Not so bad now, eh, Darius? Only rough driving. Only rough driving. Ah! Oh! A fish! You see the fish? The valley. Oh, I can see some fish. I see a fish there. Throw it over here. Yeah. Another one coming, I think. Yeah, man. If that's the only fish we get, though, that's a bad fish. Because it's too small for all this work and all this gas. Two fish, all right. So that fella's still small. Hey, here. I tell you, you're blight. You're blight. What do you mean? What do you mean? It means you're not good luck. Look, something coming here, I think. I think I see something here, fellas. That's a bonito. You don't let any fish go. That's how you get thrown over the boat. You'll have to swim home. Can you even see home? Like, can you see the land way back there? Can you see how far you'd have to swim? And we wouldn't let you have a life jacket, so. I'm pretty sure as long as you didn't get caught in the current, you'd be alright. I see another fish. There's another skinny silverfish. Yeah. What kind of fish is that? Plato. We need a couple more of those kingfish, but some big ones.
Yeah.
Yeah, we need some kingfish. Big one. There he is. Cavalli. A yellow cavalli. Buddy. Alright, we're down. Nice. Ah, now we're getting somewhere. There he is, we're getting somewhere now. Here, hold on. There he is, grab that fish. I'm gonna hand you that fish. There, we're getting somewhere there, buddy. Earn your keep, earn your keep. Nice. Another long one coming. Now we get somewhere.
Come on, here what to do, right? You see these nice fishes here? Pop them right here, so on the side. Right?
Those are the money-making fish, boy.
Correct.
The other fish, not so much. And if you're nice, he might give you one. Here's the next one. You still alive? Oh. I'll buy it. There is. You want a boat? You can run a boat? You just need about a year's experience. Come out here about for a year and then you'll know how to do it. And we're all done. And this is what we caught. And the guy said that was not a very good catch. So although we catch fish, it wasn't a great catch. Hard work though, very hard work.
So yeah guys, we were struggling. We tried to spear fish, the water was dirty. We threw our fishing lines, didn't catch anything. But then the guy took them out back and we did the, as you could see, they pulled the net in and they got fish. So thank God we got fish. So here we have the redfish. I am doing the redfish hole. And here I have the kingfish here. I just filled up the kingfish and I have it here. So now what I am going to do is just season it up with my, my Caribbean green seasoning, my ginger, and this one I'm going to stuff it with vegetables and cheese, and I'm going to stick it in the oven. This one I am going to put it in chili, lime butter, and pan it on the stove. So let's get cracking.
So guys, we are going to make our lime chili compound butter. And that's going to be on the fish, kingfish. That's a big compound.
That's the red fish. You could try some of these toppings inside.
Okay, let's try it. Cheers. So good, but it's hot.
This is the kingfish, isn't it?
Yeah. So let's try the
Yeah.
kingfish. So guys, we're gonna try the kingfish here.
We're gonna get it.
Cheers. Kingfish, guys.
All that hard work, eh?
Mm-hmm.
To get how many fish do we get? 4 fish. Yeah,
So guys-
this one here is real good.
Kingfish tastes way good. That's with the lime and chili butter sauce. So
Yeah.
guys, don't forget to like, subscribe,
Comment.
share the video, and always remember to click on the notification button to always get notified when we post videos. And I have to say again, I'm really sorry for posting videos this late. As I said in the beginning, it's been tough with the weather and being so busy. So we love you. We out.